Hello, I have not had a proper shower for 2 weeks, but I find myself next to the edge of Dirty Sock Spring, which was created when they were trying to drill a well and they went down 1,200 feet and they hit some hot water, but actually the water's pretty lukewarm. And my socks, which I haven't been wearing that much, are quite dirty, so I'm going to wash them in the Dirty Sock Spring here in the Owens Valley, right next to what was the Great Owens Lake. And we're just off of the greatest highway in all of the United States, the 395. And you can see all the dry dust, what's now dry, what dust from the Death Valley in the socks, now going into the Dirty Sock Spring. So it looks like the socks are dirtier than the waters of the Dirty Sock Spring, as you can clearly see.